Hello everybody, it's Gracie here with Brad Deery's. Just wanted to show you this steal of a deal we have on our lot right now. So we have this 2015 C-Max Energy. Just want to walk around it, show you the features of it. So if you hop inside, just have the power seats, heated leather up here. So hopping inside, this vehicle gets amazing gas mileage. It has a backup camera. Got someone driving by. It does have navigation as well. You have the sync system, so it's really nice. You can pair your phone up to it. You can use the Bluetooth here. You can also change the radio station and everything, volume. We've got cruise control on the other side. Right here, you can also choose like entertainment, phone, navigation. You can check your fuel economy, so while you're driving you can check on that. Then there you have the heated seats. So I'll hop around to the back. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Does have the power lift gate as well, so let me know if you have any questions about this vehicle. You can give me a call. My number is 563-227-4844, and this vehicle is the #1 value price in 148 miles. If you want to extend those out to 500 miles of our dealership, we're #2. But the only one that is beating us has double the mileage. So let me know if this is the vehicle for you, and give me a call. Thanks.